Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the connection to the server timed out PlayStation app. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix the connection to server timed out on the PlayStation app, you have to follow these steps. First, make sure the PlayStation app is completely closed on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, open your phone's settings and search for iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage, then scroll down through the list of apps until you find the PlayStation app, which may show as PS app. Tap on it, then choose Offload app. This removes the app but keeps its data. After offloading, reinstall the app. This helps verify the integrity of the app's files and can fix any corrupted data or errors that may have occurred. Once the app is reinstalled, open it and try logging in again. In many cases, this resolves the server timeout issue and gets the app working normally again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the connection to the server timed out PlayStation app. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.